So I've taken the yellow shade, this yellow shade, and blended it out in my crease, and then I blended the orange shade over at the bottom of it, like under the yellow shade. So next, I really don't know what we're gonna do next. Let's see. We're gonna take this red right here, and I'm gonna create a halo eye with it. So I'm gonna apply this red in the outer corner of my eye and in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna blend it out. So I blended the red on the inner portion, and the outer portion of my eye. And so it looks like this. Both of them, they look kind of different, but they're still really cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. So I think I'm just gonna blend a gold shade on my lid. I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Red Alert palette. Looks like that on the back. And this is the shade number 3. I'm gonna blend that in the middle. I decided that I'm just gonna leave out the glitter shade, and I'm just gonna apply the orange shade on my lid and also blend it out into my crease. These colors in this palette, I don't know, this may be an unpopular opinion, but they don't blend well together. So that's a dilemma that I'm facing right now. I'm trying to keep one shade on while I blend the other shade out. So yeah, this is the finished look pretty much. It's kind of hard to keep all these shades blended on my eye at the same time. So this is the finished look. So I'm gonna go off camera and wipe all this extra makeup off my face, extra eyeshadow off my face, and then we're gonna get right into the base makeup. Alright, for primer, we're gonna go in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and mine looks really disgusting, but it's just makeup. So we're gonna apply this all over our face. You don't wanna apply too much, just a little bit. And this primer is really good for pores. It's also good for mattifying. We're going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Mocha. And then we're just going to apply this to our face. Next, we're going to go in with my beauty sponge, and I'm just going to blend that foundation into my skin. Now I'm going to take the same concealer I used for my brows, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes. I'm also going to apply it down the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. And then I'm going to let this sit for a little while. I'm going to let it sit because I want to let it sit for a little while and let it get a little tacky so that the coverage can be of maximum. To cover up your under eye dark circles or anything you want to cover up. That's one of the purposes of concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend mine out. I'm gonna be using this AOA Studio Beauty Sponge from Shop Miss A, and I'll have a link in the description box below to where you can purchase this sponge. Next, I'm going to take this Laura Mercier setting powder and set where I put concealer. I forgot to conceal my, what is this? What is this called? I forgot to conceal my mustache, so I'm going to go in and do that. So while I'm letting this concealer dry down, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance contour palette. I'm going to take the darkest shade here, which is the contour shade, and I'm just going to blend. I'm just going to bronze my skin up a bit. Ooh, that's way too much. Wow. This is really, really pigmented, so you want to make sure you're tapping it off and going in really, really light hand. So now I'm going to try to blend that out so I don't mess with my makeup. Yeah, so as you can see, I messed it up, but we're going to fix it. Gonna take your beauty sponge and just try to absorb as much of the product as you can. And as you can see, it's fixed. So you just want to blend. Make sure you're not putting too much product on your brush because it's a really dark contour. And so you want to just, I'm going to contour the other side of my face around my forehead and my jawline and also my nose. Next, I want to take this blushing and Valley palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to take, I'm going to mix these two shades together. They are Coral and Pomegranate. I'm going to mix these two together and then apply some blush, a little bit of blush to the high points of my cheeks. I really like blush now. I'm going to stay in that same palette and I'm going to take the darkest shade, which is Ember. That's a pretty name, like a pretty name for a person. I'm going to take Ember and Sunkissed and mix these two together. And apply it to the high. Wow, that is so pigmented. Next, I'm going to go on my beauty sponge and I'm just going to blend out that highlight and blush to make it look a little bit more skin-like. Now it's time for setting spray. I'm going to take this Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer Spray. I wasn't ready for that. I was not ready for that. And so then I'm going to blend it in with my beauty sponge. Alright, I'm finished with the I'm finished with the face. Now it's time to tackle the hair. So I'm going to be putting on that wig right here. You can actually see it right there. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. As you can see, I went in and did my hair. I just curled it, pin curled it, and pinned it up. So it's really pretty. And here is the eyeshadow look. We have some yellow and some orange, some red tones in there. And I'm wearing my lip gloss from my collection. I'm not going to tell you guys which one it is just yet. You still have to stay tuned for the release, but this is what it looks like right here. So I'm really excited about it. I'm trying to zoom. Okay, I mean not zoom, but focus. Yeah, so I'm really excited about it. Ready to launch, ready to show you guys what I am coming out with. just really excited. So stay tuned to my lip gloss collection dropping pretty soon. It'll definitely be this year, probably next month. Yeah, so yeah. And make sure you shop my lash collection. These are my lashes. These are some really old, a really old pair of Tokyo, but I'm definitely gonna throw these away after I take these. After this video, I'm gonna throw these away because they're old and tired. But make sure you shop my lash collection. Link will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and comment below. Show me some love. Let me know what you want to see next. And yeah, so I guess this will be all. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.